I would like to talk about boosting your concentration as an actor. Are you struggling with your concentration as an actor and not sure what to do about it? In this video, I'll discuss the importance of concentration in the art of acting and introduce a deceptively simple exercise developed by Konstantin Stanislavski called the circle of attention, explain why it works and how you can incorporate it into your craft to strengthen your concentration. In the art of acting, very few tools are as essential and elusive as concentration. Whether you're on stage facing a live audience or under the hot lights of a film and TV set, the ability to focus, truly focus, is what separates a good performance from a transformative one. And no one understood this better than the great Konstantin Stanislavski, the pioneering practitioner of the Moscow Art Theater who revolutionized modern acting. One of the foundational techniques of the Stanislavski system was something called the circle of attention. The circle of attention is an incredibly effective exercise that helps the actor focus, block out distractions, and fully inhabit their characters. Before diving into this exercise, let's examine why concentration matters so much. The art of acting demands the actor's total engagement, not only mentally, but also emotionally and physically. With all of the distractions, not only in the world of stage acting in the rehearsal process, but definitely on film and television sets when there are so many distractions, so many things going on technically, lights being set up, and just the distractions of daily modern life, concentration becomes even more of an important shield for the actor, a cocoon that the actor can create that allows them to build a boundary and stay connected to their character and the given circumstances of the scene. And the actor needs to learn how to do this no matter what kind of chaos might be happening around them. This is where a familiarity with Stanislavski's circle of attention exercise can come into play. So, what is Stanislavski's circle of attention? Stanislavski introduced the circle of attention exercise to train the actor to consciously train their focus. He understood that asking the actor to simply just concentrate was not practical. He knew that he needed to find a tool. The exercise is built on imaginary concentric circles that radiate out from the actor and gradually expand their attention and their focus. The first thing that Stanislavski would ask the actor to do, and he would do it on an empty stage, is he would ask the actor to focus on a small circle. So the actor's attention at first is limited to just yourself, your breath, your body, your hands. This is the most intimate and focused state. Then he would ask the actor to expand that circle to medium size. The focus widens to include the immediate space around you, perhaps a prop or another actor, or just a small area of the stage. He would ask the actor to spend a little bit of time in this medium circle of attention before moving to the third circle, which is the large circle. With the large circle, your awareness expands to the entire stage environment, including the audience if necessary, but without losing the grounded center. So that's why he always had the actor begin with the smallest circle first, and then expand to the medium circle, and then expand to the larger circle. He usually would help the actor create this relationship to space by using a spotlight, starting with the small spotlight that's just on the actor, then opening up to the medium-sized spotlight, then opening up the whole entire stage to light. One of the amazing things about practicing this exercise is how flexible you can be. In other words, the actor can shrink or expand this circle of attention depending on the demands of the scene, allowing for a deep internal focus or broader spatial awareness as necessary. So here's how the exercise strengthens your focus. Stanislavski believed that many actors struggled not because they didn't have talent, but because their attention would wander. By deliberately practicing the circle of attention exercise, you are essentially training your mental muscles to focus. So this kind of practice develops a few things. Number one, internal stillness. When you learn to block out external distractions, you cultivate an inner presence. The second thing is heightened awareness. When you practice the circle of attention exercise, you become aware of your fellow actors and you become attuned to your surroundings without becoming overwhelmed. The third thing is presence in the moment. When you focus on your space and on your physical body with the circle of attention exercise, you stop anticipating and you start being. So here's how to practice the circle of attention. You do not need a stage, nor do you need a scene partner to practice this. You can start alone in your house, building your concentration with this simple step-by-step exercise. Step 1. Establish the small circle. Stand or sit quietly in place. You can close your eyes if that helps. Bring your attention to your breath, the sensations in your hands, and feel your feet on the floor. Very similar to meditation. Stay there for about 1 to 2 minutes. If your mind wanders, just like with meditation, gently pull your focus back into your body. Step 2. Move your attention to the medium circle. Now you can expand your attention to include your immediate environment. If your eyes were closed in the first step, open them now and choose one object near you. It can be a chair, a cup, etc. Focus your attention on that object. Take in its texture. Notice its shape and feel its relationship to you. Stay in the medium circle space for another 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3. Expand to the large circle. Extend your focus to the entire room or stage. Take in the lighting, the sounds, the space, and all of the objects around you. Maintain your connection to your body and your grounded presence while observing the larger environment. With consistent practice, the circle of attention becomes more than just an exercise. It becomes a way of being. You'll notice if your attention starts to drift, and you can learn to bring it back with ease by using some of this technique. It helps with so many different things. It helps with your listening. It'll help you stay emotionally available and in the present moment. Stanislavski developed different techniques such as the circle of attention as a way not to stifle actors, but to help liberate actors and free them. The circle of attention helps give your creativity a place to land, and it helps strengthen your imagination muscles. Now, how can you incorporate things like sensory work into the circle of attention? As you strengthen your imagination muscles with this technique, you can gradually then begin to incorporate sensory work, such as creating an imaginary place in these different circles of attention, as well as connecting to a personalization. For example, introducing a personalization into this circle of attention technique can help tremendously on the set or even in an on-camera audition. Let me give you an example. If you open up your senses and create the presence of a person that you're talking to, and rather than imagine them all the way across the room several feet away, what if you were to create them in a smaller circle of attention right in front of you, about 2 or 3 feet away from you? How does that change the way that you talk to the person, the connection that you feel to their presence, and the intimacy that that creates? The ability to execute something like this can be extremely effective when you want to create intimacy and more subtlety on camera. On stage and on film, focus and concentration is a superpower, and actors must learn how to take care of themselves. The circle of attention technique can be a powerful tool in your creative arsenal. So the next time you step on stage or on the set, take a breath, find your body, your center, and your awareness, and remember those circles of attention, because the spotlight may be on you, but your focus and your concentration is what you need to light the fire inside of you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.